So I'm at a tag sale place, an apartment. Anyway, I saw an idea for these. These are rather kind of, and antiquated. People just don't use them, don't buy them at the moment. Anyway, I saw an idea. It was Easter eggs in here, painted Easter eggs, decorated eggs. So just another use for an item that maybe would just be left. Just found these Scottish linens here. Look at these. And then this gorgeous tablecloth. Embroidered. We've got some Charleston, South Carolina soap art. Image does not wash off. Southern Pride. They smell okay. Got the rugs. We've got a couple of these bell pulls. This is the embroidered one here with the wooden handle on the top. And then there's another one. I think that might be out here. Yep, there's another one with the chickens. That's got the brass. So it's very heavy. Look at the chickens and the chicks. Brass top and bottom. Hoping for this runner, we're just not sure yet. We've got a couple of the door stops. The art, this is Jerry Craddock. She's local Lynchburg art. I just love, this one's just charming. I don't know, when you see something and it appeals to you for some reason, really quite charming, that one. This is a tile painted 1975, but it's got the bamboo frame, of course, so you gotta pick that up. Coastal fishing scene here. As I said the other day, always look on the back. Lots of, especially this generation here, they wrote on the back, painted by Marion Smith Lewis of Boonesborough, Bedford County, VA. Gift of her former husband, something Lewis. Can't quite read his name. And it's very sweet. Watercolor. There we go, signed and dated. It's especially good when you've got a piece that's matted in a way that hides the name of the painter. And this is kind of sweet too. So sometimes check on the back and you will find, see, look, she was great. She labeled everything. Pennsylvania farmland near Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, painted by Mrs. Thomas B. Powell, Francesca, Hagerstown, Maryland. So it's Francesca Powell painted that, so it's oil on board. Lovely bucolic scene. And then this one, I like this and the frame. Again, this is oil on canvas. Oh, nothing on the back of this one. And can't see a signature, so. But I like the frame on that. I would kind of leave it in that frame. This is kind of sweet. The old daffodils in the mason jar, ball jar. Betty Sharp painted that one. Very well done, I think. Not that I'm an expert, I just like it. There's a framed chicken, Bonnie Rizzo. And then here we just have frames that are nice. They will sell. We've got scarves. People like scarves. I sell those. We've got some linens, vintage linens here. This really nice plant stand here. Side table, cocktail table. Mother of pearl inlay. I'm going to show it in the light. There we go. Nice condition. Put this by the side of a chair, sofa. Stick your cocktail on there. More artwork. We've got the rugs, and so we're just kind of getting things finalised. Here we've got lots of costume jewellery, pillows. We've got a nice vintage Hoover down there. This is needlepoint. Now what we've done before with these, we've turned them into either, we've put them on chairs as a seat cover, or made into a pillow. Use velvet for the back. But of course butterfly, I mean that's just gorgeous, isn't it? I love the colours on that. Alright, so we are working hard, kind of behind the scenes, and we'll let you know when items are available. We are doing pre-sales. In here, everything is for sale. We're just waiting for finalisation on some items in the other rooms. So if you see something you like, let me know. Here's another bell pull here that wasn't finished. Look at that. I mean, it's gorgeous. Don't know how long this takes, but I imagine it's a long time. These are all sterling. So if you want to buy some or the whole set, or we can discuss details.